Hi everyone and welcome back to Italy. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in the central region of Umbria, very close to the border with Tuscany. We are in the municipality of Città di Castello. We are here today to visit together a farm business with 18 hectares of olive grove, over 8,000 olive trees, and also its own vineyard. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The property spans over a total of 25 hectares of land, which are about 62 acres. This land is mostly used for agricultural purposes and is divided into 18 hectares of olive grove, 3.5 hectares of grazing land, and 1.2 hectares of vineyards. The rest is woodland. The olive grove has about 8,000 plants and it is currently divided into two big plots. The older plot has beautiful trees dating back to the 1500s. They are about 1,100 and they are very strong and resistant and do not need irrigation. Whilst the rest of the trees are in the other plot of land that has been planted between 2010 and 2018. It is all equipped with droplet irrigation and that guarantees the highest quality of olive oil. Furthermore, groves are divided by cultivar so that each variety can be harvested at the peak of their maturation. Production is constantly increasing. In fact, the most recent plantations are not fully productive yet. There are 6 different varieties of olive oil produced, each one with its very own personality and special taste. The kinds of oil produced are Borgiona, Gentile di Anghiari, Leccino, Frantoio, Moraiolo and Dolce Agoggia. The yearly production currently ranges around 8 to 9 tons of olive oil, producing about 120,000 liters per year, but will increase up to 20 tons as more and more younger trees reach maturity. The farming business is all done organically in the full respect of nature. The olives are selected by hand and they are collected generally between halfway through October until the first week of November. It generally takes about 2 weeks with 10 people working. The olive grove has been very well structured and the olive collecting can also be done mechanically to cut down the time needed for collection. The estate enjoys the presence of a natural pond used for irrigation. About the buildings, there is a 500 square meters, so about 5,400 square feet, agricultural warehouse that is laid on 2 levels, and it currently supports the business and hosts the offices, a small shops, 2 bathrooms, and the processing rooms. The layout on the 2 floors allows processing products on the ground floor, which is vehicle accessible, and lets them fall down to the lower floor. About the vineyards, the 1.2 hectares of land is producing 15,000 bottles in 5 varieties: Sangiovese, Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, Chardonnay, and Sauvignon Blanc. Produced olive oils have been awarded over the years several prizes. The most recent one, year 2019, came from Slow Food Italia and from the participation to the Japan Olive Oil Prize 2019, where the estate was awarded a silver medal over 242 other producers. After showing you all of the estate, I would like to show you some of the products. These are all of the olive oil varieties in all of these bottle formats, and the owner was very kind and got us some bruschetta so we can try out the olive oil. I'm sure it tastes amazing.
Make sure always to toast the bread when you get the bruschetta. A bit too much fell down. And then we got some salt. Okay. Really good.
We've now reached the end of today's property tour. This property is indeed perfect for somebody that would like to invest in the agricultural business, or for someone that already owns a property in Italy and would like to pair it to this one to enjoy its fantastic products, the olive oil and the wine. I hope you enjoyed it, and please, before I leave you, remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for incredible properties every week. I will see you soon. Until next time, ciao.